That's a nice one. Yeah. Boy. Really nice. Let me get him up here. Wylie. Need to. All right. Really nice. Get him up here. So this is my anchoring system I have. I borrowed it from different people on YouTube. They have sort of the same system. I've got my line on this extension cord holder. You can get those at Lowe's for like a couple of dollars. Then I've got this clip here that keeps the line from reeling off there, holds the line on there. I put my anchor out where I want it. I just throw that in the water. There's a little bit of current here on this water today. Now back here I've got this piece of rubber here that just kind of keeps it so it doesn't, you know, if a wave comes or something, it doesn't bounce as much. But the main thing about it is I can adjust my kayak where I want it to sit by moving this back and forth. I've got this rope here on the front and the back, sort of like any other anchoring system, but this one has a quick release. I can just let it go if I want to. If I get in trouble or if I catch a fish and I have to go after it, I just let all this go, and then I come back and find my anchor and get it back. I hope I explained that good enough, and maybe you can use it or use part of it to help you out. It's the first day this year that I got my kayak out and brought it out here to the river. It's a nice day out, probably 75 degrees, maybe a little warmer than that. The water's still real cold, but I've already caught a couple of catfish using some chicken livers. But I caught one pretty nice one. I'm having some trouble with my rotator cuff on my shoulder, so I don't know how much kayaking I'll be able to do this year, but I'll do some other kind of fishing. Just checking all my equipment out. Got to replace all my line and clean some things up and clean my kayak up and everything for this year. So thanks for watching.